Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on General, click on Settings. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on About Phone. After click on About Phone, click on Device Details. After click on device detail, click on hardware information. After click on hardware information, so you will see NFC is here if you want to fix this problem. So turn on NFC. After enable NFC, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and click on restart and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to App Library, scroll down to, and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on Settings app, scroll down to, and click on System and click on Reset option. After click on Reset option, click on Reset all settings. After click on Reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if NFC is not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.